Hi guys, I wanted to go ahead and make a short video for you about the ball bounce lab. If you go to page 1 of the ball bounce lab, it has this video example, but this video happens to be in Flash. So if you have any problems accessing Flash, I'm going to go ahead and give you the same rundown using my own voice, but I'm still using the same video that's there. So there's nothing strange about this. In the video that was created for you, this was by the course author, Ms. Janet Hearn. She set up the data table that looks similar to what you have, not identical, but similar. She called a ball, there's just the general rubber ball, and here were the initial measurements that were taken, that the mass was 0.15 kilograms, initial height is 1 meter, and then the rebound measurement was 0.77 meters. So what we're doing is showing you how to calculate initial gravitational potential energy using the formula of mass times gravity times height. So in this case, it would be 0.15 times 9.8 times the 1 for the height. And that result gets you 1.47. You take 1.47, you go ahead and you put it in your data table here. And then we're going to repeat the same calculation, only we're going to use the rebound height this time. So when you do that calculation, 0.15 times 9.8 times 0.77, you end up with a result of 1.13 joules. And then finally, to find out the actual energy transformed, you're going to do some subtraction. 1.47 minus 1.13. And when you do that, you end up with 0.34. So 0.34 joules is the amount of energy that was transformed for this particular rubber ball. So what you'll do is you will go back and in your lab, you'll do that same calculation, but you're going to do it 6 different times with the 6 different types of balls that you're using. Then you're going to continue and you're going to make a bar graph of that data that you collect. So notice there's a bar graph, not a line graph like we've done before. You repeat the entire exercise using 1.5 meters as your drop height. Repeat all of those calculations and then create another bar graph. You might want to note that when you come down here to number 5, explain in terms of work and energy. So you definitely need to discuss work and how it's involved. In the Popper lab, some of you missed that part about talking about work in your answer. And then you're actually talking about energy transformation here. What happens from that very first time until it hits that rebound. So if you need a reminder, one of the comments on most of your labs was about those energy transformations in the Popper lab. So you can go back and look at your feedback there to see if that might help you in with number 5. So overall, this lab is fairly simple. I hope you guys had a good spring break, and I hope now that you are ready to finish up strong in the rest of this semester. Well done.